Parents, is your child being bullied? Is your child showing stress and fear about going to school because of the abuse? Have the teachers promised to stop the bully, yet your child continues to be attacked in school, in the neighborhood, or online? If so, we understand. That's why we created a law enforcement-based anti-bullying plan that gives you a step-by-step checklist that will turn the tables on the bullies in ways they can't imagine. We'll show you how to build a strong legal case without ever confronting the bully or his or her parents. We even show you how to get the police to speak to the bullies and their parents. Unlike other bully programs, this is non-violent, non-confrontational, and puts you in complete control of the situation. Best of all, it's just $19.95 at bullyactionplan.com. Grab your copy now and quickly bring an end to the pain and suffering your child is experiencing because of a bully.